So we're going to demolish this wall. And I'm remembering from our client comments, we're definitely going to leave this one. I'll have to double check if we're leaving this. I'd imagine we probably are, but we'll see. All right, but I know we're getting rid of this one. So like if I go in here, this is walls existing. All right, so I'm just going to cut this, back out one level, do a paste in place, edit, paste in place. All right, Control-Shift-V is my keyboard shortcut. I'm going to group it, and then I'm going to assign the layer demolished like that. All right, so now if I turn off my demolished layer or my tag, we can get rid of that wall, and you can see what we're demolishing. All right, and then what's also super cool with the ConDoc system is if I click on this button over here and go to our scope, you can see that your demolished walls show in orange, and also new walls will show in green. We don't have any new walls just yet, so that's pretty cool too. All right, so I'm just going to go back to the regular design. I'm going to turn off my demolished, and that way we can just kind of get rid of this stuff. So doors existing, and these existing doors I'm going to cut, back out. That's my existing group. I'll paste in place, and there's only one of them, so I'm just going to assign the layer demolished to that. And so we're going to use this to kind of get rid of everything. And you know what? I'm just going to turn off our Windows layer for now and just get that out of my way. And then we're going to delete or demolish this and that. And so I'm going to cut these. Actually, I'm going to undo that. I'm going to take all this stuff, and I'm going to take all this stuff, and I'm going to cut it, back out, paste in place, group, and assign the layer demolished like that. All right. Okay, and then I think we are also getting rid of this wall. So when we need to, peel away this wall, that gets just a little trickier, but I'll show you what I do is I would like copy this and then leave a guideline in place. All right. So I've copied this. So I double click, copy, Control C, leave my guideline in place, and now I can just use my push pull tool and get rid of that. All right. Now I'm going to back out one level because this is walls existing. I back out. Now I'm inside of the walls. I paste in place. I'm going to push pull over to here. Control E gets rid of my guideline. I can group this and then call it demolished. So that's how you kind of get rid of a wall. And it's only necessary if you truly need that demolition plan. But it's really not that hard. It just takes a little bit of getting used to in SketchUp. So, all right. So we've got this zone cleared out. Let's go back to our layout here and just take a look. We've got my mistake. I'm just going to undo this. We are leaving this in place. All right. So 29.5, and then we will build another bump out. Okay, so I was wrong. I'm going to hit Control Z a couple times until it gets back in there, and we're good to go. All right, so we're going to build another bump out. All right, so what I would probably do for that is I would just take these guidelines, and actually I'm going to put the guidelines against the wall. That's kind of an easier place to build those guidelines. It's right here. And then I'm going to select them like that. And then I'll just make a copy of them like this. And now I'm inside of my existing walls. I need to tap escape and draw a rectangle like that. I'm going to use my push pull tool and pull this out to there. And so these are existing. This is going to be in a group, and I'm going to assign the layer new. All right, so now check this out. We can go to our scope diagram, and now you really start to see what's demolished, what's existing. Our background goes away. And yeah, it starts to paint kind of a cool picture of what you're up to in here. All right. In case you're wondering, whenever you add a 3D object in a 2D graphic, we cannot color that because the last layer in the organization is a 2D graphic or a 3D object, whereas the last layer in organization here is demolished, and we can do a color by layer style, and that's where you get this orange and green from. But no big deal. It gives you just a quick overview of what's going on. So go back here, turn off our demolished, and so now we've got our new walls. That's pretty easy. And let's take a look now. So these glass dividers, I'm going to take a look at the dimensions of those glass dividers. So let's go over here and check out our client comments. And so they're saying split that 201.5 evenly. So I think I just kind of duplicated the the same dimension over here, which, you know, is probably fine. But watch this. If I select this one and I make a copy of it over to here, and I hit 2 divided by, enter, now I can just move this, and so now we're splitting that absolutely perfectly evenly instead of mimicking this dimension, which I think is fine either way. I don't think anybody's ever going to notice. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our ConDoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you're going to love our tutorials.